Play. The kids play soccer.
She plays piano.
Jump. The cat jumps high.
He jumps over the fence.
Run. The dog runs fast.
She runs every day.
Read. She reads books.
He reads every night.
Eat. They eat breakfast.
He eats pizza often.
Write. I write letters.
She writes stories.
Draw. She draws pictures.
He draws in his notebook.
Sing. She sings softly.
They sing in the choir.
Talk. They talk daily.
She talks to her teacher.
Swim. They swim often.
He swims in the ocean.
Climb. The boy climbs the tree.
They climb the stairs quickly.
Cook. He cooks dinner every night.
He cooks delicious pasta.
Dance. They dance at the party.
She dances gracefully on stage.
Laugh. The kids laugh together.
Queen laughs at the joke.
Listen. She listens to music.
Boy listens carefully to instructions.
Paint. He paints a colorful picture.
She paints a house.
Ride. She rides her bike daily.
He rides a horse on weekends.
Shop. He shops for groceries.
She shops for new clothes.
Watch. She watches TV every evening.
She watches the sunset.
Work. They work at the office.
She works on her homework.
Build. He builds a sandcastle at the beach.
They build a tree house in the backyard.
Catch. The boy catches the ball easily.
She catches the bus every morning.
Fix. They are fixing carefully.
He fixes the leaky faucet.
Open. She opens the door slowly.
He opens his birthday presents.
Pull. He pulls the rope hard.
He pulls the chair close.
Push. He pushes the cart in the store.
He pushes the heavy box.
Throw. He throws the ball to his friend.
She throws away the trash.
Wash. He washes his hands before eating.
They wash their car every Sunday.
Yawn. The baby yawns when tired.
He yawns during the boring movie.
Teach. She teaches math to her students.
He teaches his little brother to read.